Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is my crochet braids tutorial and I'm going to be doing all deep twists today. So I'm using the same brand as I did last time, the Authentic Braid collection in the color P427 and it's in 20 inches. This is what the hair looks like. And the same method as last time, I'm pushing the tool straight through, latching the hair under that little loop, closing it, bringing it through, and I am going to be doing about 4 knots. And this is a sped up version of me repeating the exact same thing. To my invisible knot method. Okay, it's pretty simple. Okay, it's pretty simple to me, and I'm saying it's simple because I am not a hairdresser. Okay, so instead of knotting the entire hair, I am only knotting 3 times one side of that piece of hair. Okay, does that make sense? And then now going into my tree knot to secure that knot, I am taking small pieces of hair from each side, and I'm just going to create 2 knots with those smaller pieces of hair. And for my last step, I'm going to be cutting and layering the hair. So I just take scissors and I just cut into a downward position, and I just cut, I go crazy until I'm happy with my results. So that's it, you guys. That completes this look. I am so happy that it turned out like this. And now I'm just going to, of course, lay my edges. Okay, don't walk out the house neglecting your edges. Okay, just because you think everything else came out cute. Don't neglect your edges. That wraps up this video, you guys. This is the completed look. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you're brand new, slap that subscribe button, okay? And don't forget to like and leave a comment, and I'll catch you on my next video.
Fresh wind blowing this room. Holy Ghost fire, fresh wind blowing.